What we are going to see in 2023 probably is not yet developed. Certainly, digitalization will be one of the most important things, where we'll see machine interconnected. Everything will be, let's say, more sophisticated.
Well, I think traditionally in textile industries, many technologies have been competing with each other. And the advances in one technology also usually produces advances in the other technologies that compete with it. So it's very interesting to go to the exhibitions and watch what the progresses are of each technology. You know, all the technologies are now getting fully digital, like the digital printing, but also jacquard weaving or other types of non-woven products have become fully digital. And this is what really will be interesting in the exhibition, is we will see real breakthroughs around artificial intelligence, around greening of the products, around quality of the products that are for the moment unthinkable.
Could be for a fast supply to use a 3D printer. But of course, if you need mass production, you will need to go to real equipment on textiles. But of course, there are some machines in textiles that are very specific and very lean to do short productions at a very high quality and low cost. So ITMA is also a good place to see these opportunities. The trend towards manufacturers will have to be very flexible, be very fast, time to market. As manufacturers, all of us, we need to really deal with time to market, because the trends also fly out fast. So when customers need something, we have to give it to them yesterday. So everything will be faster, and smaller quantities in production.
I do believe that will be a trend in ITMA 2023, that people will ask for the textile supply chain. They would like to know where the things are made and how they are made. And if you can trace this then back to the producer of cotton or to the producer of polyester, and then see who else was working on it, I think this will hopefully also change something in the mindset of the consumer, because textile is such a complex thing. And if you see all the machines that are necessary to do that, all the work that is necessary to really make a final product, then people will understand also that it is worth to keep it and really appreciate it. So I think this, with the help of digitalization, we will have the traceability and also get a more sustainable way of production. But if the consumer is the big question, will the consumer really appreciate the product?